Well, look at the numbers for these two squads. Isa na lang ang lamang ng San Carlos, pero hindi enough yon. Why? Because look at National University limiting their errors to just 3.
Better.
Talaga namang nakita natin ang USC in the third set. Napakaraming errors ang nakomit. In the second set, maraming errors ang nakomit nila, hindi katulad ng first set, di ba? Parang konting-konti. Hindi pwede yon against an NU squad.
Tama, sabi mo nga nung first set, they gotta bring their A game talaga.
Oo, dapat talaga.
National University tying up the match at 1 set apiece by taking the second set. Rosie, oh my God, the way she does it. De Leon just simply one-hand job for taking care of business there. Ruby De Leon taking care of business.
Well, so far, din Santiago, 11 points. Myla Pablo with 5, most of which came in that second set. De Leon with 4 and Aganon with 3.
Cortez slaps it over at nakagulo sa bahagi ng National University.
Well, dito naman sa USC, Jesulga with 8 points. Praca with 6. So has Panis and Bate with 8.
Jesulga, who played well in the first and second set, gets a break. Hindi ngingiti. Ngingiti pag-ikot. Matipid sa ngiti ito eh. Chana Jesulga serve in play. Aganon denied at the net.
Oh, says good by our referees.
Did it look like a double touch?
Ang iniiyak, akala net block.
Nepomuceno. Santiago hooks it over. Reyes punched.
Oh, and that goes long.
Have you noticed that Cebu will not gamble with the dump? Si Aranas will not gamble. They want to be orderly about it. I think they want to get their open setting, their quicks down pat muna. Huh?
Remember in the first set, sabi ko nga, nothing really spectacular happening.
Correct.
Yung parang they're just running their plays. Pinababayaan nilang mag-error itong National University. At sila naman, talagang humahanap lang na paraan. Off-speed, patama sa block.
Correct.
Wala naman combination plays na nakita, di
Wala.
ba?
3-2 ang bilang po natin as Cortez, who likes to work on that corner on the other end, where the right side actually.
Oh, that's overset.
Sobra. Aranas goes the other way. Ooh, that looked like a tennis serve actually. Pablo!
Myla Pablo just clicking.
Now she's ginalit.
Oh, from the second set, iba na ang nilaro nitong si Myla Pablo.
She's been getting the sets that she likes. The blocks have not been, well, hindi ganun kalakas ang blocking talaga ng San Carlos actually. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. There's a nice double block. And a regalo created from the block. Jaja taking care of business.
You don't give that gift to a 6'4".
6'4" ba?
Oh, sabi 6'4", pero syempre hindi na maaminin yan. Sasabihin mga 6'2". Which is impossible.
Huwag mag-heels tong dalawang to, ha? Well, hindi maiwasan. Girls, ha? Oh, nice block! Now it's getting more difficult to score for San Carlos.
That's right. Ngayon, mukhang yung flow ng blocking ng NU
Yes.
nakuha na nila.
There's been a lockdown. May curfew. Pablo serve in play. Just above the net. Praca pushes it over. Nepomuceno, well done.
Oh, and look at that curve on that hit by Kai Nepomuceno. Ang ganda nung kurbada. At bumagsak midway.
Nepomuceno, one of the regulars of NU also, because as the official ball of the Shakey's B League. Hulika, and it's just a lockdown. Nowhere to go, Mosey.
Yep. Now, I think NU is reading USC clearly kung ano yung gusto nilang gawin. And ito na, nababasa na yung mga palo.
That's where you wish you had a little more in terms of combination plays. That serve goes awry though. Diba? So to throw off the defense actually. It's becoming predictable as you said.
Kahit yung mga pushes nila, nababasa na kung saan gustong dalhin.
Exactly, exactly. Oh, high up and down. Well set. Oh, may sinabi pa rin si ate. Ate, huwag kakalimutan.